Oh bro, yaar, what's the scene is yaar? Guys, seriously saying the game is much awesome yaar. It's introduction. It's guys, seriously it's introduction. It's not the mission. You can understand from this introduction also how the game would be. So hey Sterling family, what's up? Welcome back in Pro Sterling. So guys, as you all saw the thumbnail, we are going to start the new gameplay series of the most demanded game, that is GTA 5. Yes guys, Grand Theft Auto 5. So guys, I had done some starting missions of the game so to understood the proper controls, but unfortunately I didn't understood yet. But hope so will understood in many few guess in few gameplays. I want to say that. So guys, without any wasting time, let's start the game. So guys, this is Franklin and you can see from front also. Now go to Franklin's room. It's Franklin's much big room, not much big, some big. And it's his wardrobe from where he can change his clothes. So now guys, go to Franklin's wife room and here's her wife room. And now go to living area guys. Jokes part. So guys, here's his TV, beautiful wife, bro call you later. And now go to kitchen guys. There's the kitchen. And guys, here's the kitchen. Much clean kitchen. Much clean fridge. Oh wait, go back and drink some juice or beer. No juice, no beer. Alcohol. No, sir. Jokes part. Only juice. Yummy. So guys, without any delay, let's start the game. Go outside. Oh sorry bro, one thing left. The main thing left. Lord Ganesh. Jai Mata Di. So guys, here's the Franklin's garage and let's take out the car. The cheap car in the game but much rich or much expensive car in the real life. Simon, yeah, don't call me again and again, I will call you back. Let's go. So guys, today firstly we will explore the city, after that we will change the car, after that we will change the clothes. Yeah, we can change the clothes now only. We are very nearer to house. So guys, let's go to home back and change Franklin's clothes. Get side. Bro, get side. Okay, it's your wish. Salmon. So guys, let's go inside and see. So guys, I don't have much variety of clothes because I had just started the game. I didn't purchased some clothes yet, but will purchase in very few time. Many less time, sorry. So here outfits, black hoodie, black shirt, grey hoodie. Grey hoodie looks better. Yeah, no. Grey hoodie looks better. Yeah. Select. Now guys, select again. Now suit, jackets, hats, glasses. Yeah. Glasses, I hope there will be no any glass. Oh, he has glasses. Guys, I know his hairstyle is awesome. I know we will change it later. I know how the awesome is now. White shake sneakers, it's better. White athletic shoes. Shirts. No guys, it's better. Silver sweat pants. So guys, now clothes are changed and we are going to again garage and take out the car and now go to city and explore the map or game or Los Santos. Simon, yeah, why are you calling me again and again? No, yeah, call up. Oh bro, shit. Door is broken. Full automatic car, yeah, full automatic car. Headlights on. Let's go. It's okay guys, we are only going to change our car. So door broken, nothing to worry about. Simon.
Franklin. Hey, what's going down, home? The market, my boy. Liquidity's a bitch. Get over here so I can give you the new repo list. All right, dog. I'll be around when I
What he is speaking? I didn't understand. Franklin. Oh yeah. We are going to now, guys. We are going to now S and see what Simon says. Franklin has a contact at S, so go to contact to get mission from Simon. So guys, let's go. Firstly, mark the location, and after that we will go. So guys, I thought firstly we do some one mission so that to understood more controls. After that we will explore the city, we will change our car. But in between, if we get some new or some beautiful like car, so we will change. But for now time, I am driving only this one. So let's go. Guys, you can also see the marked location in the maps with purple color location. Now guys, we are going there and see what Simon says. Take right. Guys, I am beginner now. I don't know proper controls or proper game, so forgive me for this time. From next gameplay videos I will be more. Oh my god, nice car. So guys, I was saying that from the next gameplays I will be more better. I think we have to take car inside. Shayad. So no, outside is better. Where do we have to meet?
My dear boy, so good to see you.
So good to see you, man. Why are you hugging me, man?
Look, we've been working together for about a few months now, right? Which is why I am very honored to announce to you that
Guys, he is very honored.
employee of the month.
He is Franklin. क्या लिखा था bro? What's written there? Franklin Chaitan? I don't understand.
You're never
Skip it. Let's go out, guys. And I thought go to Vespucci Beach. Vespucci Beach. What's the name? Vespucci. Okay, guys, it's not India. It's Los Santos. Vespucci is there.
type bitch. But now it's all starting to make sense.
So the guys location is again marked automatically with yellow color. And now let's go to Vespucci Beach and see what's there.
Homie, I don't want no unnecessary bullshit here, alright? I don't give a shit. It's a reason.
Guys, actually GTA 5 is very nice game. You can see it's much big game. It's starting of the game only na. So after few time the game will be more interesting, more that amazing. I want to say that. So guys, support me. If you don't subscribe my channel, do it right now. And if you like the video, like my video, hit the bell icon. And guys, as much as you can share it so that to oh bro, nice car, red car. Go back and take that car, red car. It's nice car. Chevrolet, I think. Stop.
That's how shit work, ain't it? You do some jobs for a fool, develop a little uneasy relationship.
Bro,
Man, this ain't employee of the month.
before this car there is Rolls Royce, but I had driven then that car.
You ain't sitting this one out, homie.
It's not much
They ask
good.
you to do something above and beyond. You fall out, fools get capped, and then you start all over again with some
So
other.
oh, nice cut bro. Gas fire.
How about the boy with the eye?
Take right and go. So guys, I was saying that please support me guys. Hit the bell icon, subscribe my channel, share the video as much as you can. The car is also good from front on this in Hindi topic or baat. Hit the bell icon guys.
That's a nice change from fools coming up on us. That's trio, homie.
In flow guys, location gone wrong.
Don't believe it. You wanna drop some
Let's
notes on
go
that?
and take right. There's the yellow mark. Okay.
The bike should be in one of the lockups down here. Should be is the story of your life, asshole.
Bro, follow Lammer. Okay. Follow Lammer. Okay guys, I thought it's some fighting mission. I had seen before yet also.
Think this
Follow Lammer.
motherfucker wants something.
And but not perfectly saying. I thought it's fighting mission. I think it's zombie. how he is reacting, bro. Or much drunk boy. Yele, bro, yele. Lammer, bro, where are you taking me?
Man, I don't like this.
Guys, see how Lammer is walking, like he is drunk.
Hey, look, let's keep it smooth, homie.
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth.
Bro, move fast.
Man, what exactly did I do in a past life to deserve your stupid ass?
This a routine lick, dog. Chill.
Do them Vagos look routine? This a shady ass app.
Oh,
Shit, we at Vespucci Beach.
You on the wrong side of this poop.
now what we have to do, bro?
Block makes a
Route
difference.
finished.
Hey, hold up.
Route not. Road finished. Search the garages. Here's the garage. Open it right now.
Lay motherfucker. It got to be this other one. If that wasn't it,
Bro, this is empty. Oh no. Furniture in the garage? What's this?
telling me it's right.
It's the last shutter. I think it is. It is only. Yeah, it is. Garage.
Man, ain't this
What we have to take from here?
ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man.
Bro, its game is very abusive, yaar.
Nigga ain't grab that heat.
Again and again he is abusing. Okay. Take out the Vagos.
Find your bitch ass.
Rishkam.
Get out here, man. Shit about to get real.
Bro, फ्रैंकलिन को गोली लग चुकी है and again we are going to
Get that out my face.
making dead the enemies.
It's getting hot in this alley.
Bro, from where he is shooting, yaar? Oh, headshot. Oh, you are deaden. Not deaden, sorry. You were dead. How you can making me again dead? Oh shit, man. Mission failed. Franklin died. Oh shit, yaar. Let's try again. Retry.
Bríncale, homie.
Again from starting.
Let's go and look, homie. Where that? Find your bitch ass cover. Shit, on your left. You a sad motherfucking bitch.
I don't know, guys. Why we are fighting with each other? Okay, but it's okay. It's mission.
You with you, homie.
We had to do this. Headshot. Guys, I want some rifle or some carbine rifle which would be more better than pistol.
Homie, get out.
It's okay, it's mission. I didn't purchase this pistol. It's automatically in my bag.
You the new kind of hook, motherfucker.
Just let us walk out of
No,
here.
guys, I will play very safely.
I'm gonna reload.
Motherfuckers on the scalpel is on me. Shoot up that cannon.
Oh, bro, sorry, bro, sorry.
Follow me.
Oh, bro, what's the scene here, guys?
Ain't that it?
Nice, man, nice.
Man, what's a few more of these motherfuckers?
Now, guys, I am playing very safely. As guys, you all know, I am beginner, so I don't know how to play properly, how to shoot. My shooting skills are not much good, but hope so will improve in few gameplays video. But then it's good according to me. So guys, tell me in the comments
Over there.
how I am playing, how much good I am playing.
Get that car, they trying to get out of here.
There's the car.
How
Oh
many they got? Light them niggas up.
god. I think it's not car, it's truck. Not truck, it's Suzuki that 4x4. I don't like it.
Get the flow, homie. These marks don't even know what we here for.
You just blast they people.
Headshot. Oh, bro, where are you going? Stop right now. Where's the lammer? Oh shit, man. Franklin again died. Shit, man, shit. It's okay, guys. Forgive me. Let's try again later. No, let's try it out. Let's try now only.
Fuck, they
Take
must
out the
have heard
daggers.
some
Guys,
shit.
it's last try. I'm sure it's last try.
Shit, on your left.
Now I will play more safely and will kill the maximum number of enemies.
Appreciate it, pimp. Genius, keep your head. These marks don't even
And
know
guys,
what we here for.
You just blast they people.
there's
That might
the
be why they
enemy.
irritated.
You'll get PC'd up.
Actually, I don't know what is Vagos,
I need help over here.
but will be no. Where are you going? Where are you going?
They got me
Reload.
pinned down. Shoot.
Oh, bro, awesome scene, yaar. Actually, awesome scene.
Somebody
sure pick the right people to pick
Oh
a fight with,
yeah.
nigga.
Bro, I will now play more safely.
Up there, shoot that nigga. Bust his ass. You get busted bad day.
Where are you, bro? Where are you?
Look
Headshot.
out, they running on you.
Bro, I don't play GT5 yet, but I had played PUBG very much. So I know what is headshot.
Shoot the gas, homie.
Guys, do you want that PUBG back? I want. PUBG was na very nearer to my heart. Le bro, le. Now I am very safe.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Okay,
Man, we only
follow
came here for
Lammer,
a fight,
following
and
Lammer.
that motherfucker is right there. Hey, nigga, come on,
Okay,
we got your picture.
we have to, guys, we have to forget the bike, that
We
bike.
really gonna repo after all this bullshit.
Once the health goes below 50%, it will regenerate back to 50% if you remain undamaged for a short while. Okay, bro. Okay. Okay, okay. Lammer, come fast.
Let's get him, homie. I wanna get paid.
Paid ain't worth shit when you
Okay.
on 25 with an L. We massacred those
Left.
motherfuckers.
Oh, yeah.
Shit.
Shit. Okay.
Man, you lost him already.
That's a monster
Oh,
fucking bike you
yeah.
riding,
Shit, wrong,
stupid.
bro. But it's okay. We will take right from.
This punk get away, we going down, homie. He gonna pin us for all these bodies. Man, I said punch it, homie.
Oh, shit, man. Shit, man. Shit. Guys, bad luck. Guys, today's day is bad. I thought. Not much bad because I had upload my video today. So not much bad, but bad. It's okay, guys. Let's try again. I will be more safer now.
Shit.
Take left. Now go on
Motherfuckers get
normal
away
route.
from him.
No
Cause he's
shortcuts.
sitting on 140 cubic inches right there.
Guys, you can see in the map also the blue mark, the blue circle. We had to follow him. Sorry, bro.
This
Speed
punk get
of the
away,
car
we
is
going
nice,
down,
man.
homie. He gonna pin us for all these bodies.
And whose fault is that, Mr. 80s action movie body count motherfucker?
Nice.
Pop that fool. We need him on the
Bro,
back.
yaar, why are you using it again?
Man, you lost him already.
That's a monster
I
fucking
think
bike
it's
you riding,
actually,
stupid.
guys, it's 18 plus game. I thought. It's oh, nice car. It's Los Santos, but it's just like India. The garbage is thrown here and there, na. There's that bike.
Shoot that
We
motherfucker.
had to get that bike. Stop, bro. Stop. Oh,
That's the bike
Wow.
we came for.
I will not leave you, bro. I will not leave you. Stop here.
We want your bike, bitch.
Oh, wow, yeah, guys. He's not falling down.
Time to get.
You gotta
Oh,
watch
shit,
out.
he's dead.
Yeah,
Dog, we gotta lay low.
No.
Get the bike and meet me at the car wash on
he's
Innocent.
dead.
Alright, I see
We
you,
had
man.
got $80. Oh, Lammer, where are you going? Okay, get on the bike and go to car wash. What car wash? On bike and go to car wash. Okay, guys. Okay. It's okay. We are going to now car wash, marked in map with yellow color. Guys, once again saying it's my first video in PC game. So guys, support me. Not first game in PC, first gameplay of GTA 5 and with voice. You can see in my recent videos I don't recorded my voice, but from now, as suggested by you all, I am starting my voice recording in my gameplays also. So guys, please support me, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and share as much as you can. So guys, I would be more motivated by this and would be more confident to speak or something like that, and you will be more entertaining by my videos. And guys, take right, now take left from next 30 not 3 meters. Guys, Google navigation, go straight and take right from 100 meters. Bike speed is not good, yeah, very slow bike. Not take left take left from now. Here's the car wash.
Man, your ass for a while, bro.
So guys, I thought mission is done. Mission is finished now. Here's the lammer. Okay guys, mission is finished. Mission passed. Continue. So guys, the mission is passed, and now again I am saying guys, support me, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and as much as you can share my video. So guys, now it's the first mission. As I told you before also, I will attach the small clip. And guys, also I had make some speed faster, so because guys the video is much bigger. So guys, this is the first mission of the game. Follow lammer. So guys, it's not the speed of the car, it's the speed of the video. Not video, it's the speed of the clip also. I had done some speed fast of this clip because the guy's video was making much bigger. So guys, following the white car, we had to follow white car and see what's now.
Well, in that case, we might as well enjoy ourselves. Oh, shit! Man, sorry about that.
From now, take right. Guys, honestly saying guys, car is nice. Sorry. Guys, car is much nice. Oh, overtake bro.
Whatever you say.
Where are you going, yeah, lammer? Oh, sorry bro, sorry. How the roads are some.
I'll come at you from the shoulders, homie.
Oh shit, man.
Man, shit.
Shit. Oh wow. Nice. Nice, man. Take left. Oh yeah. Guys, actually this is the first time now I had played GTA 5, so that at that time I don't know the starting of this game controls. Now I just some know what are the controls, but at the time of this clip I did not understood something not. Actually guys, jokes apart, at that time I don't know any control. Where he is going, yaar? He is going inside of buildings.
Dumb motherfucker, that's the Union Depository.
Okay, so guys, I think the mission is completed, I think.
What you gonna smoke the
And the glass is broken. The car is broken, the bonnet is broken, the headlights are broken, everything broken. Oh, lose the cops. So guys, we have to lose now cops. Cops mean police. 2 stars of police. Guys, I had seen in some GTA 5 gameplay videos, for the fast losing of cops, we should go on the highways or in the tunnels. But I don't know where the tunnels are now, and I thought there is no tunnel near to me, so I'm going to highway or some on the mountains. Actually guys, GTA 5 graphics are much nice. Okay, so guys, now this is the second mission's clip that I was doing. You can now I had to go to yellow mark, as you can see in the map also. The route is marked. It is the second mission's clip where I have to go to, I think, Gurnals. I didn't remember properly, but wrong route and wrong side. And now motorsport. Okay, we are going to now enter motorsport, premium race motorsport. And so guys, thank you so much. Hit the bell icon, subscribe my channel, and tata bye, take care.